So here I've got a custom shifter block that I've made. So I've gone and made this item, which actually then takes the standard Altezza shifter that I've then bored the holes out and cut the end off. That bolts down onto there with nice 8mm bolts, and that then bolts into the car on the 4 holes that are right to there. So that bolts down to there, and then made the shifter linkage so it comes from out the back of the gearbox to the front. Sits here, and it clicks around. Now to put it all together, and should be right. There we have it. It's basically 10 o'clock. Gearbox is all in. Shifter's all nicely working as it should. Just so nice. Clutch is hooked up. Everything else is buttoned up. You can't really see, but it's all up in there. Drive shaft, the works. Fuel lines are moved out of the way a little bit. Still need to muck around with one fuel line, just return line, just to make that a little bit better. The hoses are back on. Intercooler pipes back on. Bolts are all in. Reverse switch wire is sorted. And yeah, should be good to go. Next up on the things to do is replace the brake master. So it's been leaking out the back seal into the booster, which is not ideal. So out with that and in with a brand new one. Again, B&T having parts on hand. Here's the part number if it's any help to anyone. Brand spanking new, full thing. Look at that old classic Toyota, and you can still buy parts for it. Super handy. I'll bolt that up right up and we'll be away laughing. Cut and weld the shifter shaft a bit just to bring it back on the angle. But now it sits perfectly in the centre of the boot. For a little cruise in the 86 with a 6-speed. A lot quieter in here than when it had the T50 in it. That thing used to whine something fierce. So much better. Canon. I think that you have to just get used to that. Quite far back, hard angle.